Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another episode on our YouTube motivational series. Today we are going to delve into the importance of gratitude, known in Arabic as Shukr. Have you ever stopped to think about all the blessings you have in your life? From the air you breathe to the food you eat, every little thing is a gift from Allah. In the Quran, it is mentioned in Surah Ibrahim, ayah 7. If you're grateful, I will surely increase your favor. This verse highlights the significance of being thankful to Allah for all His blessings. One of the most beautiful examples of gratitude is found in the story of Prophet Dawood alayhi salam. He was not only a wise and just ruler, but also a humble servant of Allah. Despite facing many challenges in his life, he never ceased to be grateful for the blessings bestowed upon him. In addition to reflecting on the story of Prophet Dawood, let us also remember to make a sincere dua to Allah, asking Him to help us to be grateful for all His blessings. A simple prayer such as, "Oh Allah, help me to be grateful for all your blessings," can have a profound impact on our mindset and outlook on life. Gratitude is not just a feeling, it is a way of life. When we are thankful for what we have, Allah promises to increase our blessings. This leads to abundance and contentment in life, allowing us to live with a sense of peace and fulfillment. So take a moment today to reflect on the blessings in your life and express gratitude to Allah. Let us also follow in the footsteps of Prophet Dawood alayhi salam and strive to be grateful in all circumstances. Remember, a thankful heart is a happy heart. Thank you for watching us today. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in your blessing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more motivational content. Take care and